Good morning. So I wanted to take advantage of this beautiful morning. It's the morning of the autumn equinox, and you can feel the coolness in the air. You can feel the energy has changed, but it is a beautiful morning. And sitting out here in the garden in the sunshine, well, it will be a bit later, but the sun is out, listening to the birds, just looking at the fruits of nature and being thankful that we've had such a nice time. And it's a time to be thankful. It's a time to consider what blessings we've had, what abundance is here, what we're harvesting, both physically and spiritually. How have we grown? So I'm going to just bring you one card today, and it's from the Herbal Astrology Oracle by Adriana Arianis, and it's been published by Hay House. And the card today is Echinacea, Destiny. So today this is reminding us that we all have a destiny. We all come here with a blueprint. We all come here as guides to learn, to evolve, to embrace, to enhance each other's lives, to shift karmic debt, to clear generational timelines. But we are very responsible for our own destiny. And destiny can come in many guises. So whatever is coming up for you at the moment is a reflection of what's actually going on inside. So do you have something that actually needs clearing? Do you have something that maybe is less favourable to you than you wanted? Where your thoughts go, your energy goes. So you have to raise your vibration, and this is a beautiful day to get grounded in Mother Nature. It's a day to release all those beliefs, to harness the energy of the changing seasons, to open up to the galactic light that's coming through from the universe, because today is a phenomenal shift. So you can carve your destiny. You can seek, you can shape, you can alter your destiny. But you have to do it within alignment with using the elements, with using the energies, with using the tools that you have inside. And you have many tools inside to help you. We are master alchemists. We are sovereign beings. We are here. We are guardians. We are way showers. We are light workers. We are StarSeeds. We are it all, because we are all one. We are just representing a different fraction of that society. So we have to realize that at the essence, everything is love. We are love, we vibrate love, and we receive love. Not carnal love, but love of a spiritual nature, love of unconditional acceptance, unconditional joy, unconditional happiness. And when we actually accept that and begin to radiate that, we see it in our field of physical vision, and it comes into manifestation. So today you're encouraged to ground, release anything that is not needed for you, open to the beauty of the elements of nature, open to harness that beauty, bounty of abundance, whether it be spiritual, physical, or energetic. It is here. The seasons are on the flux of change, and today is an equal day, a day of balance, a day where the night is as long as the day, and it's just perfectly aligned for you to encompass and set those intentions for all that you wish to do and all that you wish to accomplish. So today, work on carving your energy. Work on your destiny. Work on being in alignment with balance. Work on shedding that which is no longer of you, for you, or of benefit to you. Raise your vibration. Go and sit, go and walk, go and swim, go and sing, go and dance in nature. Because today is a beautiful, absolutely beautiful point that we all reset everything. So that is my message today. So from my heart to your heart, have a beautiful day as it unfolds in joy and abundance, in love and laughter, and may you just embrace everything with a cheerful heart. So I'll see you soon. Bye.